dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, I am home from work today. I am feeling like crap. My stomach is bloated and gassy, and I've just been in the bathroom all morning. I'm drinking some unsweet tea, and I had the rest of the eggs and bacon chorizo mix, which was probably a weird thing to choose to eat when you have an upset stomach, but I ate the rest of that, and I'm just gonna take it easy today. I have a headache and it's just so I'm gonna watch TV and relax, and I'll check in with you guys later. This is just some of the Stoke cold coffee, cold brew, with a really blurry picture with a little bit, probably about a tablespoon of heavy whipping cream and probably about 4 tablespoons of unsweetened vanilla almond milk and some of the coconut skinny syrup, and it tastes really good. And that's a Linky. He's just looking outside.
Action guarantee. I mean, I think Sprint's network and savings are great, but don't just take part of it. Try it out and decide for yourself.
Anyways, I'm making a chaffle. Look what happens sometimes when you put too much, but that's okay because it'll deflate and it'll go down some. See how puffy? I forgot to actually put some on the top, so I'm going to put some on the top. It may be too late. We'll see. Then I'm going to put some salami and some Kobe Jack cheese on top, and I'll show you when it's all done. So this is my chaffle sandwich. This is my lunch today. As you can see, I put a nice amount of that cheese on top, and it's sturdy. It's not a floppy little sandwich, and this is how I like to make my chaffles. It's sturdy. I put some mayonnaise on one end and some mustard on the other, and then there's just 1 serving of this ham, 1 serving of that cheese, and then 3 pieces of salami. And I still have my coffee, and I'm gonna have a root beer Zevia. That's lunch. Let's see if I can get it down. Alright guys, so I decided to try my 310. This is the first time I opened it. This is the chocolate flavor. I don't know. Now, it is just almond milk mixed with 1 scoop of it and 1 tablespoon of MCT oil. And I even tried adding a couple of one-on-one flavors to it to give it something else, because it's just a very like watered down, I don't know, there's no thickness. It just tastes like a really weird tasting chocolate milk. So I mean, I don't know what if I did something wrong. There is a little bit that's down there at the bottom that needs to be mixed well, but I really don't think that that is keeping the flavor out of it. I do not taste chocolate at all. At all. It is not comparable to my chocolate Keto Chow. It didn't say to let it sit in the refrigerator. It didn't say to add heavy whipping cream or anything like that. It just said water, or you could use almond milk or whatever. So how do you guys make yours if you use it? I don't know. I'm not impressed at all, and I kind of don't even want to drink it right now. It does not taste good to me. Here's dinner. It's just 1 little chicken thigh, and when I say little, I mean little. And I just fried them up in some coconut oil so they would get nice and crisp with salt and pepper, and then just a tiny little Caesar salad. No croutons, anything like that. My orange Zevia, which it's okay. I don't think I'll get the orange one again, but I'm going to have some of this Diet Gold Peak tea. And that's it, guys. See you tomorrow.